Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check battery level on Apple Watch Ultra 3. To check your battery level, you're gonna have to open the control center on your watch. To do that, press the side button once, and here among the other icons you will see the item which tells us the current battery level. And for example, if this item was removed from here and you cannot see your battery level in this menu, you can scroll all the way to the bottom of the list using your digital crown, then select Edit, then tap the plus icon in the top left corner of the screen, scroll down until you find the battery item and tap on it, and then move it to the place where you want to locate it on this screen. And then just press the side button or the digital crown to apply changes. And so that's how you can check the battery level on your Apple Watch Ultra 3. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.